Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure both AirPods and the case are fully charged. This prevents confusing power faults with other issues. Once charged, visually inspect the mesh, stems, and case pins for debris or corrosion, and make sure the hinge and lid operate smoothly. Now, you take a soft brush and 90% isopropyl swab, gently remove grime from the speaker mesh and charging contacts. Be precise, not forceful, because small particles often cause most connection and audio problems. Once the exterior is clean, you run a full diagnostic sequence. Unpair and then reset the case by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Next, carefully clean charging pins in the case and AirPod stems with 1-2 alcohol swabs and a toothpick for stubborn gunk. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembly because moisture kills connections. Then you verify firmware via your iPhone and reinstall audio drivers or updates. This solves many intermittent faults. You finish by reseating the AirPods in the case and confirming the charging animation and pairing sequence. Make sure both show charging and pair reliably to your device. Then perform structured tests. Play mono and stereo audio, make a call to check the mic, and toggle active noise control if available. This verifies physical and firmware repairs. If problems persist, a battery module or connector replacement may be required. If unsure, contact Apple or an authorized service. Pro tip: keep a photo log of damage for warranty work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.